Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, the Corporate Yogi. Today I'll be teaching you one of the most important poses in yoga, which is called as a Suryanamaskar.
People often fail to realize that it is a complete workout for your entire physical system and one does not require the use of any equipment. When done in the right way and the right time, Surya Namaskar can totally change your life. So Surya Namaskar has several benefits, and while you watch how it is done, let's understand its benefits. The very first benefit of it is it helps you lose weight. Doing the Surya Namaskar at a faster pace than usual is a good exercise that can help in losing weight. The second and the best benefit of it is the glowing skin. Since Surya Namaskar boosts your blood circulation, giving your skin and your face its radiant glow back. It helps in a better digestive system, in the smooth running of your digestive system, wherein it increases the blood flow to your digestive tract, ensuring the better functioning of your intestines. Moreover, for women, it ensures a regular menstrual cycle. For people who have high blood sugar levels, it brings down the blood sugar level. It also helps in keeping numerous heart diseases at bay. Surya Namaskar also improves anxiety. It helps improve memory and the functioning of the nervous system. It helps you calm down and get rid of the anxiety. It normalizes the activity of the endocrine glands and is especially beneficial to people with thyroid problems. It completely helps your body detox, as well as it helps to battle insomnia, wherein it improves your sleeping pattern, giving you a better and more peaceful sleep at night. So now that you have seen how the Surya Namaskar is performed, let's just understand it step by step as to how each of the asana will give you its benefit. So the very first pose is the Pranamasana, which is the prayer pose. It relaxes the mind and soul and brings awareness, whereas enhances your posture. It balances the body and mind, whereas refuels the energy and stretches the muscles. From here, you go to the second pose, which is the Hasta Uttanasana. This pose loosens up the body by stretching it backward, improves digestion, tones muscles, well as stimulates abdomen origin. Now coming to the third pose, that is Hasta Padasana. It stretches the muscles and warms up the body, increases circulation and revitalizes the nervous system. You slowly go down, touching both your hands, and then try to come in the Ashwa Sanchalasana pose. This is packed with physical benefits. The pose increases leg flexibility, stretches the spine, strengthens the knee and ankles, tones the muscles, whereas enhances lung capacity. Now you go to the Dandasana pose, which is also known as the Parvatasana or the mountain pose. This tones the wrist, arms, legs and prepares you for challenging arm balancing poses, keeps legs and arms active. It also removes body sluggishness, whereas strengthens the leg and back muscles. Now you slowly move into the Ashtanga Namaskara, which helps you strengthen the chest muscles and hands, enhances the flexibility of the neck. And from here you come to the Bhujangasana. This pose eases headache and backache, stretches the muscles, relieves back stiffness, enhances flexibility, stimulates abdomen region, elevates mood. Now you again come back to the Parvatasana or the mountain pose. It has the same benefits as I explained earlier. From the Parvatasana pose, you slowly move to the Ashwa Sanchalasana pose and you repeat the fourth step again. You have to keep gazing towards the sky in this pose. And now coming back to the Hastapadasana pose, repeating the step 3, lift the body upward and come to this pose. Slowly come to the second pose, that was the Hasta Uttanasana. Keep the biceps close to your ears. And from this you have to come to the step 1 again, which is the Pranamasana. Perform the Suryanamaskar daily in the morning for at least 5 times and you will see its benefits.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.